from a Mario and the Birds Part 2. Part 3 is now out. Let's get on that. What a sick day. Doing nothing. Racing every single day. Wait, Mac, are you okay? Are you okay, Mac? Mac, hear me. Come on, Mac. Hear me. All right, Mac, let's go. Oh. What the hell, Mac? So stupid. Oh. Mac is always the meanest person ever. Well. It's kind of a little bit hot out here. I need to go to swimming. Wait, I could go swim with my friends. Mac, take me swimming! Ah! Mac, take me swimming. Thank you. Oh my God, Mac, this is why I love you. Wait, Mac! When they get there. Finally. What? Mac, this does not look like the beach. Who in the world are these people? Yeah. Get him! Oh my God, an airplane. Wait, what? I'm gonna fly. No. This is the end of part 3. Part 4 will be coming out tomorrow. Bye-bye.